James. Is that you? Wow, hi Julian. Long time no see. It is great to meet you here. How do you do?
I'm well. You look more handsome and much stronger.
Yeah, I get more exercise since I graduated. You also look much prettier.
Oh, thank you. I just got older. I'm waiting for the subway. It is much cheaper than taxis now.
Yeah, taxi is more expensive than bus, but it is more convenient and much faster.
Are you waiting for subway too?
I also wait for it too. Here it comes. Let's go. Where are you living now?
I have moved to a new apartment in Gray Street. It is smaller and less modern than my old one, but is much closer to my workplace.
How nice it is! The greatest thing is to live near the company.
Yes, the most important thing is to close distance. It could save me a lot of time.
It is nearly 6 p.m. now. I am a little hungry. Do you have come back home now? Can we have a dinner together?
Okay, just a little time, because I have to go back home soon to take care of my children.
Oh, okay. I see. What do you think about Mario Restaurant? Mario is the best restaurant in town.
Mario is good. They've got good food, but it's expensive. McDonald's is cheaper, but it is really unhealthy. I think Hackney Restaurant is the best. It is the cheapest, the healthiest, and the most delicious.
Okay. There is one near here. Let's go there.
What would you like to order?
Chicken salad, barbecue beef, and spaghetti, please.
I am on a diet. I would like some Greek salad and mushroom soup, please.
You eat too little! Why?
I am less confident because people around me say I am getting much fatter. Since I gave birth, I have gained more than 10 kilograms.
I don't see any trouble. You are a mother and your body still looks appealing.
Really? You are comforting me, aren't you?
No, it's real. You know, the most important thing is to stop caring what other people say. Just be yourself and satisfy with what you have got.
Thank you, James. You are right.
How is your English going?
Oh, it is much better these days. It is easier than before. And I know more words, and I can speak more confidently. It is great.
I remember you used to say you hate English the most.
Ah, yes. I was ashamed of my pronunciation. Let me tell you one joke.
Okay, please go ahead.
My friends laughed at me when I said, "Peace on you," into "piss on you."
Now your pronunciation is like a native speaker.
Really? I'm glad to hear that, James, because I practice as much as possible.
How many languages can you speak now?
4: Spanish, English, Chinese, and my mother tongue, French.
Amazing! Which language do you think is the hardest?
Spanish is considered to be more difficult than English, but Chinese is the most difficult language.
Which language took you the longest time to study?
Chinese, I think. The hardest part is to memorize and write characters.
You are more patient than I thought. It requires much effort.
Now I can communicate well, which helped me a lot in my work.
You see, the most important thing to win any challenge is your determination.
How is your work? Are you still working as sales manager for Ace's company?
No, I quit 2 years ago.
Why? It is one of the most famous companies in the city.
Yes, it could pay me the highest salary, but it is not my happiness. Now I am a baker.
A baker? I still remember the cake you made yourself on my birthday. It is one of the most delicious cakes I have ever eaten.
Yes, I have great passion to make different kinds of cakes, and I love making cakes for my beloved ones.
Right. Money is not the most important. The most important thing is to do our dream job and be happy.
What about you? How is your work?
I am now working for Zara Company as a designer.
Really? My sister is a big fan of Zara. Its design is very eye-catching.
At this company, I am always able to be as busy as a bee, but like you, I love my current job.
Can you tell me about your family? How many kids have you got?
I have a 2-year-old baby girl. She is as cute as a button.
Wow, I love children. Do you have her photo?
Yes, I have one on my phone. Here you are.
Let me see. Oh, how cute she is. They are as like 2 peas.
Yes, other people also say that. Since she was born, my life became much more meaningful than ever before.
What about your husband?
He is more responsible to the family. He shares with me the housework and takes care of the baby well.
Lucky you. You have a happy family.
Yes, family is the most important thing to me now. When will you get married with Lucy?
We intend to at the end of this year. She is the most charming woman I have ever met.
What is she doing now?
She is working as a journalist. She has traveled to many places in the world. Paris is her most visited city.
Paris is my hometown. Yes, it is the most romantic city in this world.
I came there in the winter last year, and it is one of the most exciting vacations I have ever had.
Yes, there are a lot of things that tell about the city, Paris. I love the weather there. It is slightly warmer in winter than here in the UK.
Lucy and I will come back there after our marriage.
Yeah, you should. I know that her father is one of the most powerful politicians in this town. You're going to be his son-in-law.
The first time I met him, I was a little nervous, but he was very much more friendly than I thought.
He must be kind to you because his daughter is going to belong to you.
Yes, you are right. I need to take care of her well for the rest of my life.
Great. I look forward to your happy wedding. It is getting darker. I need to go home to take care of my children and make video call to my parents too. They love seeing my baby as well.
Your parents? How are they?
They are getting weaker. I keep calling them every night and visit them every weekend.
Wow, great habit. I don't call my parents very often.
You should call them more frequently. We should show our care as they are getting older and older.
I often blame for busy work. From now on, I will do it. Nothing is more important than family.
Yes, caring about others is the most important thing. Your parents will be very happy to hear from you.
That's right. Let's go home and tell them about our interesting stories today.
Thank you for your dinner. Hope to see you soon. Let's keep contact.
Bye. See you then.